Good morning! It's currently 8:05 in the morning. Bale, ako lang muna yung bumaba kasi bibili ako ng breakfast. Si Claude medyo sleepy pa. It's day 2 here in Hong Kong. Medyo late mag-open yung iba. Mga 8:30 pa daw, pero maghanap ako baka 7-Eleven na lang ulit or tingin tayo, lakad-lakad tayo. I found this 2D cafe. Open na siya. So I got the goods now, and then I saw my cafe. Probably I'll get coffee. Coffee. So let's try beverages. Ooh, my tea. May black tea kaya. Ooh, iced local milk. Now I got the orders. We're going back to the Airbnb. Medyo gloomy na. Sana wag umulan. Diyos ko, maulan ang ating Disneyland. If in case it rains. So dito na tayo daan. I think dito yung building namin. Kung naalala ko pa ng tama. It's 10:15. We're on the way to Disneyland. So nag-top up lang kami ng octopus card and prepare the directions. Sana hindi kami mawala. Diyos ko. Mga 3 palit ng MTR. So good luck sa amin. 45 minutes from Hong Kong. See you later. More stations before we change line. Medyo konti pa ang tao. Made it inside. Sobrang init, my gosh. Pero sobrang dilim din. Pero sana wag tumuloy ang ulan kasi boring naman kung umulan. But yeah, it's currently 11:27. So yeah. See you later.
This is nice. What did you put in? Chicken sandwich?
We're going to Tomorrowland. First ride, maybe.
I know, Hydra can't get the arc reactor. Come on, get out of here. Go, go!
Lunchtime.
星战极速穿梭是。
Crazy shit. Buti uminom ako ng bonang. Nakakahilo. Now we're going to eat lunch. Sana last na yung tao ngayon kasi kanina nag-try kami. Sobrang dami pa ng tao. It's currently 1:10 p.m. In fairness, hindi umulan. At sana wag umulan kahit na madilim pa rin yung clouds. So yeah, kain muna. Puno yung Royal Banquet, kaya dito na lang kami sa, ano ang tawag dito? I forgot the name. Basta Avengers din siya na team meals. So I booked via Klook. So I picked this one's Iron Man Wagyu beef burger meal, and then this one's ano lang, fried chicken combo para may protein intake kasi.
Nandiyan gusto mo?
Kahit ano, share na lang. Wagyu cheeseburger something. Kasi yun yung chicken meal, and then iced tea, and then yung kanya is orange juice.